Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have the brand new 2020 Suzuki Katana. Just arrived, beautiful satin black with a two-tone seat in the rear, really cool. This thing is homage to the original that came out 39 years ago, the Katana 1100. It's 1000 cc, fuel injected, liquid cooled, triple disc brakes, ABS. It's got 3 modes of power, fully adjustable suspension, 6-speed transmission, fantastic exhaust note, super slim rear tail section. This bike is ready to make your dreams come true for just $13,499. Come by, make your Katana dreams come true right away. This bike's not going to last. We have finance, we have extended service contracts. There's also a $500 bonus to Suzuki motorcycle owners, good through the end of December. Take that right off the price for you. Don't miss out on this beautiful Katana 2020 right here ready for you. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.